This is everything I prepared for a Nigerian and Haitian wedding ceremony. Moi te fait du jonjon, griot, salade rousse, tasso cabrit, macaroni au gratin, avec pickles. I also made banane peze, but I forgot to record that. The decor was stunning. When I tell you, the event planners and the decorators ate down, baby. I'm gonna go ahead and tag them because if you're having an event or a wedding, you need to book these people. Now, my favorite part of all was the food, of course. Seeing the blend of hashtag pickles and jollof was fire. I'm also going to be tagging the African caterer because, baby, when I tell you her hands are blessed, there was jollof, there was egusi soup, there was fufu, there was moi moi, there was maybe there was everything. I'm not Nigerian, so don't come at me if I'm not pronouncing the dishes right, but at least I know some stuff. Oh, the peppered fish, fire. Et puis that's it. Ou get to connaître, nous allons manger. Bye!